Now I'm going to try to actually make this edible and taste good, unlike the last 5 things I made, because I'm actually hungry. But I have a feeling this is just going to turn into the great mayonnaise massacre of 2020. So we're going to start by cooking the bacon, getting the grease, and using that to make a mayonnaise. I'm going to strain it, because I don't want to pick out every little piece of bacon out of this. This is way easier. Ooh, hot grease all over my hand. That was not a good idea. Oh my god. Now, normally after I cook bacon, I use a paper towel to soak up the extra grease off the bacon, but we're literally dumping the excess grease back on top of it, so it completely defeats the purpose. Quite a lot of good looking oil out of that. Now for the moment of truth. We're gonna make the mayonnaise. I actually went out and bought a food processor, so this whole making mayonnaise thing has a much better shot of actually working. Add some mustard. It's way too much vinegar. Love Christ. Some recipes say 2 eggs, some say 3, some say 1, so I really have no clue. Some recipes say to use the egg yolk, some say use the egg whites too, so it's going to be an experiment. Holy crap, guys, you're not going to believe this. I actually made something that looks like mayonnaise. Actually did something that didn't come out looking like garbage. I thought this day would never come. Look, it's not even liquidy. Oh my god. This here, this is the Cadillac of mayonnaise. You can't get better than this. Okay, now just add your eggs to the bowl. Just slop it right in. Some of those green onions. Cut up too much green onions. We don't need all that, but see, look, it's absolutely beautiful. This is a mayonnaise that you could take home to mom. Like it's absolutely outstanding. Just add your bacon on top. There we go, that's the end product. It actually looks like a bacon salad, which is extremely surprising to me. Okay, this is the only slice of bread I got left. You know what's funny to me? This is like one of the healthiest breads you can buy. Is like flaxseed and a bunch of other crap in it. And then I'm just like loading on bacon with bacon grease on it and some egg. And that's what we got. It definitely looks like an egg salad with bacon in it, which it is. But it's bacon-based mayonnaise, so it's more of a bacon sandwich. But it actually looks edible. No, I'm not kidding. That's actually really good. I'm a big fan of egg salad sandwiches, and that just has more layers of flavor to it that complement each other. Like, my goal was to make breakfast in salad form, and I think I accomplished that. I give it a 9 out of 10. I actually like it a lot. Mostly because I'm a big fan of egg salad sandwiches, and this is just like an actual upgrade for that. So, but a terrible side effect of making bacon mayonnaise is everything is just covered in bacon grease, and I have to use like half a container of soap to get all this clean. But oh well, yeah, suffer for your art, I guess.